Hello traders, let's do a quick update on the market. So we're going to look at the Euro USD and check for trading opportunities. Let's start with the US dollar. So if you check price action for the past couple of days, the dollar was bearish, as it can be observed here. From this level here, we see the dollar dropping down. Now the dollar has found some kind of support on this level here from the past price action. Now here in this area here, price found support on this Kijun level. Now this Kijun is from the Ichimoku Kinko Hayo. It's an indicator, so there's nothing fancy there. The brown line is an equilibrium level for the past 26 periods, which means for the past 26 days, this served as an equilibrium level. Now price came and tested this level, found support, and then started moving up. Right now, just to give you a date on this was on the 6th of December 2024. All right, so we know now that price is testing a strong support level when it comes to the US dollar. So we are going to look at the euro to see if we can combine the dollar and the euro for any trading opportunities. All right, so before we go to the euro, I'd like to look at the lower time frames, let's say the 4-hour time frame, just to give you a clear indication of how price played out on this level. Now this daily candlestick here should clearly give you an idea that price pushed down and then there was a strong pullback. Now we can look at this on the 4-hour time frame, and then I think the price action pattern here will clearly show loss of momentum and a high likelihood that price is likely to move up. Now if you look at the latest price action over here, you can see on this candlestick here from 1400 hours yesterday, price touched this support level, pulled back, and then here we have this reversal candlestick here. And as it stands from yesterday and today, price is slowly moving up, or at least it's likely to range and likely to move up. All right, now let's go and check the euro for trading opportunities if we can combine that with the US dollar. Okay, now if you look at the euro, you'll notice that price has been bullish as well, but price has found resistance on this level here. Now remember, yesterday we said that the euro is bearish, and we combined this with the Japanese yen, and whoever was smart enough to actually look for trading opportunities in that setup will have likely made a bit of money, as I did yesterday. All right, so today it's still a similar scenario. The euro is still lingering around the same resistance level. Now currently as we speak, price has pulled up, price action here. We can see on this candlestick for today that price is slowly moving up, but we are overall bearish on the euro. Right, so we think that the dollar has found support, and we think that the euro has found, or at least euro has ran into a resistance level. Right, so that means if we combine the two, we should have a trading opportunity on the euro USD, which is bearish by nature. The only issue here is that the euro and the yen, the euro and the US dollar are actually affected by the same market conditions. Now if you check the technical analysis, you will see that the euro has reached a resistance level and the dollar has reached a support level, which means that if we combine the two, you do get a setup where you can look for bearish opportunities to go short. But the problem is the position of the euro and the dollar in terms of their financial position, in terms of the money that goes into the positions. If you look on the court report, right? You will notice that you need a proper interpretation of the court report to actually see what's happening. Now, with the given information on the court report, the US dollar, is likely to continue dropping. Also, the euro will on this resistance level, the euro will start dropping as well at the same time. Now, technically speaking, the euro is on resistance and the dollar is on support. So the two currency pairs should give us an opportunity to go short on the euro USD. But the financial position of the euro on the court report indicates that the euro is likely to drop. Again, it also indicates that the dollar is likely to drop as well. And that's based on the relative momentum of the contracts and the positions on the court report. Now, we might look for opportunities to go short on the euro USD, but it's likely to, just range and not really give us that good price movement where we can actually make the most of the price movement. However, I did check again the Japanese yen, and I saw that the Japanese yen is likely to move up. Now, if the Japanese yen is likely to move up and the euro is likely to move down, then that means that based on our forecast from yesterday, that price on the euro Japanese yen is likely to continue moving down, as it was the case yesterday where price moved down. It did pull back up, but then it continued to move down. Right now, we're going to look at the euro USD and then we'll look at the euro Japanese yen to identify the slight differences. All right, so before we move and check the position of the euro USD and the position of the euro Japanese yen, like I've said, based on the cash positions of the euro, the dollar, and the yen, you can check here. The yen is actually bullish. Now, there's a potential resistance level here, but I think that there's still room for the yen to move all the way up to this level here. So we can see price likely moving all the way up to this level here, where at the same time the euro is likely to drop and the US dollar is likely to drop. So you don't want to trade two currencies that are dropping at the same time. You want to trade a currency pair where one currency is moving up and the other currency is moving down. Okay, let's go compare the currency pairs for the three currencies. Okay, cool. Let's start with the euro USD. Now, if you check the euro USD, the setup is almost perfect. Now we are going to use this level here, or this price action here, for resistance. Now, if you check this was on the 7th of November 2024. We use this price level here for resistance, and we move into the present day. If we move here and check quickly, you'll notice that price has found some form of resistance, as it would be the case with the euro, and the dollar has found support, right? So the combination would suggest that this too is likely to drop. But because the euro is likely to drop and the dollar is also likely to drop, what this means is if the euro drops faster than the dollar, then the currency pair will move down. But if the dollar drops faster than the euro, then you will see the euro USD starting to move up. However, you can look for a similar trading opportunity on the euro Japanese yen. I'll move to that now. Okay, so this is the euro Japanese yen position. For those of you who were lucky enough to actually run into the forecast yesterday, you should have made some money on this forecast. So price moved up, right, as we have forecasted yesterday, and then price found this resistance on this high level here, or the shadow, and then it dropped down up to this level here, right? So what happened yesterday is that price found some form of resistance, which I wanted to make an update on, but I couldn't, unfortunately. And today we're going to look at that support level in detail and then look at the trading opportunities available in that position. All right. Now, if you check on the 4-hour time frame, price dropped all the way from this level here, which is 161,187, and it dropped to this level here where it found some form of support, right? So here we can see price pulled back and then started moving up, and then price dropped yesterday somewhat respecting this level, and we saw this loss of momentum. Right now, all of these candlesticks that you see here, these are 4-hour candlesticks, and these are actually forming a range. And what's going to happen is you're going to have this consolidation, which is something that you know and understand, and then you're going to have a disequilibrium. So price is either going to snap up, moving up, or price is going to move down. This is what we can expect. But given the Euro Japanese yen position, we are actually bearish on this position because based on the index of the euro, we know that the euro has found resistance, and based on the index of the yen, we know that the yen is bullish. So if the yen keeps moving up, then the euro is likely to, the Euro Japanese yen position is likely to move down. And if the euro moves down and the yen moves up at the same time, then this position will move down at a faster pace and likely to reach anywhere between this level here, which is 15845, or even drop further than this level. Now, I was looking at this position on the 2-hour time frame. So here we can see clearly price action is more visible here. Price reached this level and then started reversing. It moved up, down, and then it gave these reversal patterns. So you can see here, if you look at this, you might think that price is giving an opportunity to the upside, but price has dropped below this brown line, which is the Kijun. That what this is an equilibrium level for the past 26 periods, right? If you have 26 periods times 2 on a 2-hour time frame chart, that means is 26 hours times 2, which is a little over 2 days. So this is the equilibrium level for price action for the past 2 days. And we know that price was bearish because this was a position we traded yesterday and we made a forecast before this played out. So now we know that price is below the equilibrium level for the past 2 days, which is bearish by nature. It's consolidating. So we are looking for short positions in this setup, right? Remember, you have the Euro USD, which has reached a resistance level, and you can, if you want to, look for positions to go short. But we suspect that the momentum of the euro moving down and the momentum of the dollar moving down will cancel each other, and the position is not going to move much. But here we have the euro, which is likely to move down, and the Japanese yen, which is also likely to move up. So we think the combination of these two will likely continue the price action from yesterday, which was bearish. We are likely to see price crossing this level to the downside, right? All right, that's my forecast for today. Remember to like and subscribe so that we can grow the channel. Let me know what you think on the comment section. In this early days, don't be afraid to comment and ask questions. I will likely respond. I'm a trader myself, so we can discuss this stuff. All right, I'll see you on the next update. I'll make an update likely in the evening or maybe tomorrow. All right, happy trading. And remember, all this information I'm sharing serves as educational information. This is not trading advice. It's bye for now.